Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Take Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the file wouldn't open in protected view on your Microsoft Excel. So let's fix the problem. First of all, open the file that you are having this problem, and after that you select this file option, and now on the bottom you can see more option. Click that and again select the option here. And after that you can see this window, and here you can see Trust Center. Click that option and select Trust Center settings here, and here on the protected view option you can see you have to uncheck these three option, and after unchecking these three option just click OK and again OK and close your file and reopen your file, and your problem will be fixed. So this is the video, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.